Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you today about this dual SkyPro GPS. There's a couple of great uses for this. One is if you are living in or going to be traveling through an area where there isn't great signal, this can really keep you on track. My husband and I have done some traveling in parts of the world where the internet is pretty sketchy, and this has felt like a lifesaver because instead of worrying about getting lost, we knew that this used just GPS, not internet signal, and that we were going to be safe and sound until we got to our destination. Another use is if you are a pilot, kind of a similar scenario. While you're up there, if you're looking to make sure you don't lose that signal, make sure you can stay on track, this is a great tool. I also love how it comes in this case. So it's got a really great hold on your dashboard. It doesn't fall, and you can plug it in to your car charger so you don't have to worry about losing battery. Overall, we've been very happy with this, and that's my point of view.